In today's video, I'll show you how to create a daily planner with Notion AI. We are starting right here in our Notion workspace. To get things rolling, I'm going to move my cursor over to the top right corner and click on the blue New Page button. Once our blank page opens, I'll go ahead and click on the Ask AI option to bring up the prompt box. Here, I'll tell the AI exactly what I need. I'm typing, create an actionable daily schedule template that divides my day into morning, afternoon, and evening blocks. This prompt provides a great foundation. I just hit enter and let Notion AI work its magic. It only takes a few seconds to compute. Now that the schedule is generated, I want to clean it up. I'll click into the header, highlight the parentheses at the end of the title, and delete them so it just reads Daily Schedule Template. Below that, the AI included a helpful little description box with some quick instructions. Let's customize our morning block. I'll scroll down to the must-dos section, click on the first to-do item, and type in cook. As we scroll down further, you can see the AI perfectly laid out our afternoon and evening sections, complete with suggested time blocks and personal care tasks. Now let's modify the template. I'm moving down to the bottom right corner to click the Notion AI chat icon. In the prompt box, I'll simply type add a me time and submit it. The AI immediately analyzes the page and begins updating the layout for us automatically. Once it finishes, I'll click the Show Changes button in the AI menu. It scrolls down to the evening section, showing that it seamlessly added a me time block to my wind down plan. And that's it. That's how you create a daily planner with Notion AI.